So, kung mag-grocery kayo, kailangan yung patay na oras, you know, yung hindi masyadong busy. Kasi pag Sabado dito, lahat ng mga tao nasa labas. So, pag ako nag-grocery, it's either like 9 p.m. on a weekday or Saturday, mga 2. Ganon. Kobe, ching ching! Look, Kobe's in the picture. Hey boys, here. Hold on. It's for dogs. Frozen dog treats, and then meron siyang cheese and bacon. Kobe. Kobe, no. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Where are you going? You can kalat there, huh? You can kalat there, Cob Cob. You can kalat there, Cob Cob. Eating your ice cream. Eating your ice cream, Cob Cob. Gusto ni Cob Cob ice cream mo. How about Chen Chen? Chen, you want your ice cream? Chen, you want your ice cream? Chen Chen. Chen Chen, where are you? What are you doing? You can mess up there, huh? You can mess up there. Chen Chen. You like your ice cream? Aww. Kobe, you like your ice cream? Good boy. Ang pinaka hindi maganda dito ay yung ikaw ang mag-iligpit mo dito sa pantry. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, bumili ako ng napakaraming tsokolate. Kaya, lalagay ko na lang. Boys, how are you doing, boys? You good on your ice cream, boys? You good on your ice cream, my boys? Available na yun. Bukas kung sino ang gustong kumain. Yeah. Hindi masarap. Hindi masarap. Okay, okay. So, kung mag-grocery kayo, kailangan yung patay na oras, you know, yung hindi masyadong busy. Kasi pag Sabado dito, lahat ng mga tao nasa labas. So, pag ako nag-grocery, it's either like 9 p.m. on a weekday or Saturday, mga 2. Ganon. Para hindi masyadong busy. Unless okay lang sa inyo may crowd. Ako kasi, I need to read the labels and stuff. Diba? Kung ano-ano pinapasok mo sa katawan mo, kailangan alam mo. Diba? Anyway guys, I lost
15 pounds na. And nagpo-food prep ako. Tapos tuwang-tuwa yung doktor ko kasi yung aking mga lab works ay normal na. Maybe 3 months ago, binigyan ako ng atorvastatin, yung statin drugs para sa cholesterol kasi mataas yung cholesterol ko. Happy-happy yung aking doktor kasi lahat ng labs na gusto niyang makita normal na. Sabi niya, continue what you're doing. You're doing very well. I'm so impressed. Ganon. Kaya talaga kailangan discipline. Ngayon, hindi na ako masyadong kumakain ng meat. Turkey siguro, pakonti-konti. I don't know what happened to my taste. Parang naaano na ako, naduduwal na ako sa meat. So, more on veggies na ako ngayon. I don't know if that's good. We will see. Pero, yeah, I cannot eat meat right now. Kung ikakain man ako, like konting chicken, tapos konting turkey, kahit isda, ayoko nang, kahit shrimp, hindi ko nga alam bakit nagbago. Siguro, I don't know. So, nasa sa inyo talaga yon if you want to meet your goal, 'di ba? Kayo lang ang sarili nyong competition. Yan. Ikaw lang ang sarili mong competition, wala nang iba. Kaya, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. So, yun lang. Sana may nakuha kayong kaunting aral. Thank you for watching.